Hey folks, John Smith, Central Beekeeper Supply. Terribly windy today, but we're up to about 70 degrees, I believe, right now on the 10th of March. We're going to show you a recap on the hive that we showed you we did the winter check on. We haven't been into the long box. We got bees going and coming by the bunches. I've had to open a vent hole back up to allow them to come and go. Bees been carrying pollen into this thing like crazy. I'm expecting brood bees. We're going to find out. So let's just get right into opening this dude up and see what we got. You know, this has definitely been a project of mine, learning how to operate and maintain and keep bees in this thing, and knock on wood. So far, this season has been a win. I think I remember telling you the last time I installed bees in here, the idea came to mind that this is no different from a 10-frame hive. The bees needed to be installed in the center. That's really been the big change that I've made. Other than that,
we were in this in March 3rd too, right?
Say again?
Weren't we in this March 3rd? February 3rd?
No, we did not open this box February 3rd. Boy, there's a winter cluster for you. Okay. These bees may have taken advantage of the syrup I put out early on too. Look at what she did. We were not here March 3rd. I don't remember why we didn't get into it.
We did look on the outside of it.
I think that's right. We did. We stood here and talked about the pollen coming in. So that's where we're at. We're going to find out what they've done with that pollen. Apparently they've got a guard bee or two that's a little cranky. I'm going to say, based on the amount of bee cluster right here, that's where the brood will be, if they've got it. We've got bees working that frame. This frame was moved between frame, no comb. Bees on it. I'm not certain what they're doing. Now there's a little sheen of white wax that they could have created and pulled with the syrup. Well, they jumboed that comb right out into this frame. Yeah. See the new wax building on it, and they've already got, I don't know, maybe syrup, maybe some nectar coming in with the maples blooming. I'm not certain. But you can tell they have flat added on to that comb. Jumbo comb. Oh yeah, that feels like 100% honey. Yeah.
The next one halfway. 3 over. 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 3 over
They didn't do much with that for winter. But they obviously had it, didn't they? They needed it. I have been super impressed. You know, you got to think, was it the bees? Was it the move? Was it the, I don't know, the queen? Why has this one done, why has this colony of bees done better? Was it because I started them in the center? I don't know. That's what's great about beekeeping. You just got to keep trying till you think you get it figured out. So here's pollen, overwintered honey. There's the queen. See her here? See if I can get that set right there. See her here?
Oh yeah.
And I don't, unless she's laying here or she came with the frame and there's brood on the one below. Good looking queen.
Yeah. I don't see any eggs in those open cells at
I
all.
didn't either. But there she is. So she just snuck around to the other side. Nothing but honey over there, right? Well, there's some open comb. And then bees on that lid migrating back down to that frame. Yeah. Let's see what else. Let's go another one here. Yeah, she's been here. So right in there, boy, it's so dark under here, but I see young bees and I see capped brood, pollen, honey in the corners. This is the frame she was against. There's brood. Should be eggs in some of that. I'm actually need to be like
I'm not
that
seeing
for you.
any.
Nothing.
I
Not
think
even
it's
any larvae?
just. No, I think it's just the bottom of the cells, unless there's. I didn't see any.
Okay. One more. Oh, I know y'all don't appreciate me tearing all your stuff up. As big as this hive is, they're still not, I'm not seeing signs of drone brood. Here's another frame of cap brood. There's a brand new baby bee. See that one? So we know at least 21, 22 days ago she had brood emerging. There's a lot of young bees on this frame. So the population is really fixing to grow. Oh, there's roughly a whole frame of cap brood that these bees are sitting. And now that at the bottom is drone brood and it is loaded.
Yep.
See the larvae in it? That is all drone hanging off the bottom down there. So
it won't be long.
Won't be long when that's capped. I can be back in here looking for cells, and it'll be a mess then. There'll be a tremendous amount of bees in here at that point. So really, in about another week, these bees need a few more frames to get on, just to get away from one another. I think all in all, I am super excited about this. As of right now, if they got honey, they got pollen, they got bees coming on, I think what we're going to find out is that this box will be ready to split rather earlier than most of these other bees, but it's too early now. We're probably a couple weeks off of anything seriously needing to be addressed. I've already moved Mama back. I think it was that other frame, wasn't it? These are, I think these are the bees that come down off the lid and loaded up. Yeah, and they're waxing. We're waxing, pulling comb. That's good. This was one that needed to be drawn. So you got enough numbers that they're doing everything they should be doing, working. And I am disrupting the party. Apparently, they every now and then getting bumped here. All right, there's the long box. I'm super excited about it. We saw the queen. May have just been haphazardly. She's got, I bet if we'd have kept going, we'd have found somewhere about right here was a full side of cap brood. I would not doubt that this one, and this one, and possibly that one are in the same shape, because all those bees just piled up too deep, back to back, piled up in there. They're sitting on brood, same as here. This is more broken because they're working on these frames of honey, whether they're bringing it in or whether they're building wax. It's everything's rolling. I'm super excited about that. So white wax is a good sign. Got a little nectar coming early, but last year they went through an early nectar and then it shut off. We had to wait for the flow, and that's literally, I know it's not going to be the flow, but there is going to be some nectar come in this month. Get those bees to build up and roll. Well, that's the long hive. As you can tell, I'm excited about that. That's as good a win for me as I've had in 3 years with this box. I think it's a great way to keep bees. It's obviously super simple to get into, work the hive, find out, keep up with what's going on. It's going to give me a split this season, and then of course they'll raise a queen and carry right on, get it built up big again, get the rest of our frames in it this year. Great resource box to pull from when they get big like that. It seems to sustain a large colony of bees. There again, you can decide if it just may be that good a queen in it, or if the manner in which we decided to keep them this time has just really worked for us. But super excited about the long hive. We're going to keep you posted throughout the season on it. We're going to keep you posted on the Enel. On the standard hives, we're going to do some splitting this year. Going to try to do some queen rearing in queen castles, and just show you guys some easy, efficient ways to maybe keep you some extra queens going throughout the spring. So stay tuned in to us, and until we see you again, roll that beautiful bee footage. Thanks for watching.